welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. This is where you can find me on social media. You should probably follow me. I don't know. Just do it. Anyway, this is another flashback, throwback, way back box. It is the June 2018 Birchbox with the theme Warm Weather Pleasures. I wonder how many of these I did. Probably none of them. It says go strawberry picking, try a fishtail braid, nope. Nap on a hammock, nope. Watch the sunset, I maybe did that. Feel the sand, nope. Oh wait, I did feel sand. I wore bright lipstick. Jam out to an outdoor concert. Don't think I did that, but I did play in a lot of makeup. Oh, wait, no. June, I had pneumonia. Fun times, happy summer. Anyway, let's get into these fun products. So hey, throwback June. Birchbox, and you know what? I actually did go to an outdoor concert. I went and saw Taylor Swift, and then I got pneumonia. So, because it was freezing, even though it was June 1st. Like, freezing, and then I got pneumonia. And that's how I spent my summer. My first summer in Chicago with pneumonia for half the summer. Yay! So anyway, warm weather pleasures. FYI, June 21st was the summer solstice and made it the longest day of the year. So, there's that. Fun products. We got one of my favorite hair brands, Amika Bust Your Brass Shampoo and Conditioner. That's right. It keeps your blonde buttery because it is a cool blonde shampoo that and conditioner that cleans your hair, replenishes, repairs damage, keeps it from getting brassy. Fun times. Yay. Then we have, oh God, I'm going to fudge it up. Etat Libre d'Orange. I think that's French. Anyway, it's Remarkable People perfume. It's got scent of floral and spices and ooh, champagne. We all know how much I love champagne. So I would spray it on me, but I already have perfume on and I don't want to blend. But I can smell the champagne. Like I can smell champagne like a mile away. Then we have Grande mascara. Which, again, I have way too much mascara, so this will probably go to somebody in desperate need of mascara. That's not me. Then we have IPKN Big Apple Sun Cream. It's SPF 50. I'm not going to get much of anything, so... Actually, no. You can still get sun damage in the winter, because it reflects off the snow. So I'll use that. Anyway, it's formulated with apple water extract, and it is for your face. So yeah, my face won't be getting snow burnt. Then finally we have Philosophy Purity Made Simple Moisturizer. I love Philosophy. That was all about little summery stuff that I didn't get to enjoy because I had pneumonia. But anyway, I'm going to enjoy it now and live my best life. Find me on social media and I will see you next time. Stay beautiful.